Aloha, hey, welcome to Waikiki Rocks. Aloha guys, and thanks for joining me today. Hey, this is all about Duke's Waikiki here at the Outrigger in Waikiki. And the first thing I want to show you, number one, is going to be the breakfast buffet, which might be the best breakfast value with a view. That buffet for $21.95, I think it is $22, something like that, is excellent. Number two thing I want to show you here at Duke's in just a moment is the happy hour. I gotta have a lava flow from Duke's and maybe an appetizer also. I'm going to show you the happy hour. And then the third thing I want to show you is Duke's on Sunday with Henry Kapono singing. Man, I captured a bunch of his music, a little bit worried about some copyright issues. YouTube often will ding me if it picks up some music in the background that is copyright protected, but I'm hoping to show you Duke's on Sunday with Henry Kapono. So let's go.
He'll come by shortly.
Okay, thanks. Beautiful view this morning.
What's your last name?
Miller, M-I-L-L-E-R.
mahalo for joining me today. I am away from Maui. I am on the island of Oahu, and I'm in the Waikiki area, kind of for a 3-day trip. I absolutely love Waikiki, and I'm calling this 3-day trip, the video series that I'm doing today, called Waikiki Rocks. Come on, join me as I show you everything there is to see in Waikiki.